Not having an oven shouldn't be an excuse as to why you don't bake pizza at home. So in today's episode, I'll show you an easy way in which we're going to be using our stovetop to prepare our pizza. And with me here are my leftover ingredients from the previous episode that I made some chicken pizza. And with me here I have my leftover dough. I have my cheese and some topping. This is beef brawn and some capsicum, and finally I have my sauce. So you can use any other toppings that you may prefer. I'm just going with this because this is what I have at hand. And without further ado, let's get started. Today I'm not going to be focusing on the recipe part, rather I'm going to be focusing on the how to part, because as I've earlier mentioned, I'm using leftover ingredients. So I'm not going to be making anything from scratch. It's just a matter of assembly and showing you how low the heat should be while you're using your gas cooker. You can also use the same technique if at all you're going to be using a Jiko, and if at all you want to see a demonstration on doing the same using a Jiko, let me know. So I'm going to let you follow along, then later I'm going to show you how low your heat should be so that you can successfully make your pizza at home. I'm going to be sharing the original recipe where I'm going to include all the ingredients and all the steps needed when making your pizza from scratch, and I'm going to share that next week so that everyone can get the chance to prepare some pizza with or without an oven. So remember to like the video, share with a friend, and let me know your thoughts down in the comment section.